When you have a clear step-by-step path to follow, everything is organized and each lesson connects to a bigger picture. You're able to build skills that stick without second guessing yourself or wondering what to practice next. You always know where you're headed and why. Because our method is built on structure and solid musical concepts, your confidence grows alongside your abilities. In the end, this way of learning helps you move past frustration and enjoy the process, making it possible to express yourself fully as a scratch DJ. We believe this approach benefits you because it takes the mystery out of learning and gives you a solid roadmap to follow. As each concept builds on the last and everything fits together, you see improvement without feeling overwhelmed. Our focus on structure means you know what to work on and how it connects to your overall progress. This way of teaching is designed to make things click, so you can develop your skills with confidence and enjoy being a better scratch DJ. Since this approach helped me make progress, we believe it can provide others with the same clear, focused path. Our conviction comes from the progress and confidence gained when learning is structured around essential concepts. By eliminating confusion and giving every step a clear purpose, this method encourages steady improvement. Emphasizing clarity and fundamentals makes the learning experience more effective and rewarding for all scratch DJs. We believe this approach will benefit you by transforming the learning process from overwhelming to manageable. When the essential building blocks are truly grasped, everything that follows becomes intuitive. Our focus on fundamentals means you can approach new rhythms and techniques with confidence, knowing you have a strong base to rely on. This method not only accelerates progress, but also helps you develop skills that endure, making the journey of learning to scratch both more accessible and more rewarding. We believe this benefits you by turning uncertainty into steady progress. With a dependable framework, it's much easier to stay motivated and see results from your efforts. A well-organized approach takes the guesswork out of learning, allowing you to focus on building your skills rather than worrying about what comes next. This structure makes each step forward feel purposeful and rewarding, helping you find satisfaction and momentum as you develop your abilities. We believe this approach benefits you by opening the door to creative freedom. When you truly understand the core ideas behind our method, you're able to make your own choices and develop your own style. This foundation gives you the tools to experiment confidently and push your skills further, making the learning process not just productive, but genuinely inspiring. By focusing on strong fundamentals, we help you discover what you're capable of creating on your own, which is essentially what we all dream of.